Difference between a male pelvis and a female pelvis. Bony framework. Massive, more erect, muscular markings are more marked in male. Rougher stands higher in male. But in female, it is less massive, less erect, muscular markings are less marked, smoother stand lower. Bones tough, thick and heavy, more delicate, thin and light in females. General shape, deep funnel shaped in males, flat bowel shaped in females. Ilium, more curve more of ilia crust reaches higher level, more prominent, less vertical. Iliac fossa deeper. Distance between iliac crust is more 26.7 centimeter. Curves of iliac crust less marked. But in females, curve reaches lower level, less prominent, more vertical. Iliac fossa shallow. Distance between iliac crust and is less 25.4 centimeter. Curves of the iliac crust are well marked. Then is preauricular sulcus. Preauricular sulcus. Where it is? Preauricular sulcus. Preauricular sulcus attachment of the anterior sacroiliac ligament. That is the preauricular sulcus. So when we compare this preauricular sulcus, it is not prominent, sometimes not even visible, narrow, shallow, but more marked, more frequent, broader and deeper in preauricular sulcus in females. Acetabulum larger, diameter 52 millimeter direct laterally, smaller diameter 46 centimeter directed anterolaterally. Obturator foramen. Obturator foramen. Obturator foramen large oval with the base upward. In this small triangular with the apex forward. Greater sciatic notch. Greater sciatic notch. Greater sciatic notch. This one is the greater sciatic notch. This one is greater sciatic notch. This fifth is a preauricular sulcus. Preauricular sulcus, it is more frequent and broader and deeper in females. Then obturator foramen. Obturator foramen. Okay. Already told that it is more triangular with apex forward. Greater sciatic notch is a smaller, narrow, deeper, larger, wider, shallower in females. Average width of the greater sciatic notch. Average width of greater sciatic notch 9. Average width of the greater sciatic notch is 46.5 millimeter in males, but it is more in females. Average depth of the greater sciatic notch 32 millimeter in males, but in female 31 millimeter. Sciatic notch index, that is width of the sciatic notch divided by depth of the sciatic notch into 100. That is 145 in males, but more in 166 in females. 4 to 5 in fetuses, 5 to 6 this in female fetus. Next is iliopectineal line. Iliopectineal line. Here it is, iliopectineal line. Just check it out. This is iliopectineal line. Here it is, iliopectineal line. Then iliopectineal line, so known as linea terminalis, divides pelvis into greater and lesser pelvics, smoother and rounded, more vertical in females, rougher, well marked in less vertical in males. Then is ischial spine, ischial spine, close together, inverted in males, more separate and everted in females. Ischial tuberosity, ischial tuberosity. This is ischial tuberosity. Ischial tuberosity is inverted, everted, more widely separated in females. Ciliotic line. Ciliotic line. Ciliotic line. What is ciliotic line? Ciliotic line, I don't know. Ciliotic line extend backward from the iliopectineal eminence to the nearest point on the anterior margin of the articular surface, then to the iliac crest. The articular point divides into anterior and posterior. Ciliotic index, it is sacral part of ciliotic line divided by pelvic part of ciliotic line. More in male, less in females. Body of pubis, narrower triangular, body of pubis narrower triangular, no perforation pit, but in females broader, square and quadriangular depression pit and mark on posterior surface. With born children, perforation pit is there. Then superior ramus of pubis. It is like superior ramus of pubis is like continuation of body of pubis, short and thick in. It has a constricted or narrowed appearance. Ischiopubic rami, distinctly rough and heavier and more everted in males, smoother and light and less everted in females. Because everted because attachment of crus penis, attachment of clitoris. Next is ischiopubic index, Washburn's index. Washburn index. That is pubic length divided by ischial length into 100. 73 to 94 in males, but more in females. That is 91 to 115 in females. Then is pubic symphysis. Pubic symphysis is this. In males, higher and narrower, lower wider in females. Margins of pubic arch. Everted, not everted in distance between two pubic tubercle, pubic spine lesser in females, greater in males. Pelvic brim. Pelvic brim inlet heart shaped in males, circular or elliptical or all diameters longer, more spacious in females. Pelvic cavity conical and funnel shaped in males, females broad and round. Pelvic outlet smaller in females, larger in males. Subpubic angle is V-shaped in males, U-shaped in females. Sacroiliac surface large angulation, less sharp. Small angulation is sharp, more I-shaped in females. Coccyx less movable in males, more movable in females. Okay, thank you.